Here we go. Somebody starts and stops today. There we go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Out there in Agent Land, or whoever happens to be watching this. My name's Keith Bomphray. This is what I love to do, sing and play the guitar. I don't know why. Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships as they go sailing. Speaking of ships, that's what I'm looking for with this edition. Hoping to get in a cruise ship. I love that lifestyle. I did it for a few years. I'd like to do it again. I play a lot of older tunes, old country, rock and roll, stuff from the 30s and 40s, you know, swing ballads, things like that. Just a real mixture. Just whatever struck my fancy through the years, that's the tune I learned. Something by George Strait. Let's try that again. I don't wanna be the kind that hesitate, be too shy, or way too late. I don't care what they say other lovers do. I just wanna dance with you. I got a feeling that you have a heart like mine. Let it show, let it shine. If we have a chance to make one heart of two, I just wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you, twirl you all around the floor. That's what they intended dancing for. I just wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you, hold you in my arms once more. That's what they invented dancing for. I just wanna dance with you. I just wanna dance with you. I just wanna dance with you. And sometimes I just use a couple with the beatbox. I'm not crazy about it, but sometimes it helps, you know. Sometimes people really like it. Here we go. You come on like a dream, the beaches are green, the lips like strawberry wine. You're 16, you're beautiful, and you're mine. You're all ribbons and curls, ooh, what a girl, eyes that sparkle and shine. You're 16, you're beautiful, and you're mine. You're my baby, you're my pet. I fell in love on the night we met. You touched my hand, my heart went pop. Ooh, when we kissed, I could not stop. You walked down my dreams, into my arms. Now you're the angel divine. You're 16, you're beautiful, and you're mine. You're 16, you're beautiful, and you're mine. I go on walking after midnight, out in the moonlight, like we used to do. I'm always walking after midnight, searching for him. I walk for miles along the highway, well that's just my way of saying I love you. I'm always walking after midnight, searching for you. I like to see a weeping widow crying on his pillow. Baby, he's a crying for me. And as the sky stars turn gloomy, that night bird whispers to me, hey, I'm lonesome, I could be. I go walking after midnight, out in the moonlight, like we used to do. I'm always walking after midnight, searching for you. Now I'll just play a few snippets. Michelle, my belle, these are words that go together well. My Michelle, my belle, someday mon qui vont très bien ensemble, très bien ensemble. I will say the only words I know, but you'll understand, my Michelle. It's now or never, come hold me tight, kiss me my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never, my love won't wait. I gotta have a little Elvis every now and then. I got a bunch of Elvis, got a bunch of Beatles, this and that and the other thing. This is another one of my favorite tunes. Someday, when the world is cold, when I'm feeling low, I will feel a glow just thinking of you. And the way you look tonight. Oh, but you're lovely, with your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you, and I do, and I love the way you look tonight. South of the border, down Mexico way, that's where I fell in love, when stars above came out to play, for it was fiesta, so far away, south of the border, down Mexico way. Yeah, I'll do some sing-along, do King of the Road and Sweet Caroline, all that kind of thing. What's another couple of tunes I can do here? Little Buddy Holly. I do a lot of Buddy Holly. Do a little bit of this. If you knew Big Sick, then you know why I feel about me. My Big Sick, well, I love you, yeah. Oh, won't you be soon? Just thought of this. Every day, it's a getting closer, going faster than a roller coaster. Love like yours will surely come my way. Hey, hey, hey. every day. It's a-getting faster and everyone says go ahead and ask her. Love like yours will surely come my way. And that's about it for now. I found my thrill on Blueberry Hill. It's hard to put everything you know into one little Blueberry Hill 10-minute video, but you do what you can. I've tried making this a few times. It gets frustrating when you flub a word here or a chord there, but when I'm playing and I flub a chord here or a word there, nobody much cares. If I take it with a grain of salt, so do they. The wind in the willow blade, love's sweet melody, but all of those vows we made were never to be. Though we're apart, I think of you still, for you were my thrill on Blueberry Hill. And that's it for me for today. As I said before, my name's Keith Bomphray. I live in Saskatchewan, and it is now September, and I know what it's going to be like in a couple of months. I'd just love to get in a ship or a resort somewhere. It doesn't matter to me. I'm used to playing to all kinds of crowds and all kinds of places. So thanks for listening. Hope to see you in the high seas. Bye-bye. And we shut it off. I think I shut it off.